In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix another installation is in progress error. First thing you're going to do is go to services. So here, click on services. And what you're going to do here is go to Windows installer. So you're going to find it in the W list. And I think it should be this one, Windows installer. So right click on it and you're going to be able to see a start tab. So if you don't see this, you can't click it. You might need to just end the process from the background. So just go to task manager, and here if you go click on name, you might be able to see Windows installer running in the background. If you were able to see it, simply right click on it and end the task. So end all the tasks where Windows installer is running. And after this, you should be able to right click here and see start. So once you do this, you're gonna click start here and it's gonna start the process. And after that, you will be able to see the restart button. It might show up here. It might also show up here. And I recommend clicking restart to refresh the process of this software. And after you do this, you can simply close this down and try to reinstall your software after restarting your PC, and hopefully this solves your issue.